Hey, welcome to the captain's meeting for Angler's Choice, March 19th, 2022. We selected to do this because of the rising gas prices. So what this is an Angler's Choice, Georgia public waters only. An angler can choose his public waters, fishing from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. All fish submitted by 3:30. Lines in will be at 7. Lines out will be at 3. Due to this being a Angler's Choice type tournament, we ask that on the app itself, on the tourney app, and let me show you on the app itself, there's a check-in, checkout status right here. So you'll go in there. Your tournaments will be down here. So select the tournament that you want to check in at and just hit check in. Okay. Same thing when checking out. Just go back to the check-in, checkout tab, hit checkout. That way, as a director, I know that everyone is on the water who's supposed to be in the tournament, and everybody's off the water who's in the tournament. 12-inch minimum on all fish submitted. Catch boards and hog troughs. Everybody must wear a PFD. The identifier will be released I think on March 17th at 11:30 at night. So the identifier will be released March 17th, which will be Thursday, St. Patty's Day. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at daniel@SEGKBF.com. That is Daniel@SEGKBF.com. Once again, this is an Angler's Choice tournament, Georgia public waters only. And make sure you read the rules. The rules are on Tourney X about what is considered public waters. Okay, there's a list of things in there that has to be followed in order for it to be public waters. So 12-inch minimum all fish. Again, lines in at 7, lines out at 3. Fish submitted by 3:30. Check in and check out tab on Tourney X must be used. So choose your home lake, choose your home community pond, state park, reservoirs for them guys that want to fish it that's up above Macon, rivers, creeks, everything that's public access can be fished. So hopefully you'll get over to Tourney X and sign up for the tournament and keep your gas prices down a little bit with the gas prices being over almost $4.50 now. So just if you have any questions, you can email me at daniel.segkbf.com. Hopefully everybody has a good week. Stay safe and see you.